Most adults could not solve this particular expression. Now, most of them believe that the right answer to this expression equals 0. But how did they got that? What they did was to first of all add these two together. 6 plus 6 equals 12, plus this 6 here, then plus another 6 here, then multiply by 0. Then they divided everything by 6. Okay, now in their next step, they added these two together. 12 plus 6 equals 18, plus 6, then multiply by 0. Okay, now divided by 6. Now in their next step, they added these two together. 18 plus 6 equals 24, multiply by 0. Okay, then divide by 6. Okay, so from here, what they did next was to multiply these two. 24 multiplied by 0 equals 0, divide by 6. And 0 divided by 6 equals 0. But this is totally wrong, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, okay, let's write that down so that we'll be able to understand what we are doing. So we have PEMDAS, okay, where P here is parentheses, E is exponent, M is multiplication, and D is division. And please note that this multiplication and division are always of the same priority. That is to say, if you have multiplication and division in an expression, irrespective of their position, you have to solve from the left to the right. And for this is addition and this is a subtraction. And the same thing is applicable to addition and subtraction. So looking at this numerator, we have multiplication and addition. And according to the order of operation, multiplication is of higher priority to addition. So we'll multiply first before adding. So for that reason, we are going to have 6 plus 6 plus 6, then plus 6 multiplied by 0 equals 0. We'll divide everything by 6. Okay, so from here, we now add together because we have only addition in the numerator. Okay, and according to the order of operation as well, when you have more than one division in an expression, you can simply add from the left to the right. Okay, 6 plus 6 here equals 12, plus this 6, then plus 0, will divide by 6. Okay, so from here, 12 plus 6 equals 18, plus 0, divide by 6. Okay, so 18 plus 0 equals 18, then divide by 6. And 18 divided by 6 equals 3 as the right answer. Now let's look into one more question together. In this given expression, 18 divided by 3, in parentheses 1 plus 2, then plus 2 cube, minus, in square bracket, 7 minus, in parentheses 3 multiplied by 2. Now, most people got this particular expression wrong. Now, let's solve this. And the only way we can solve this is to use the order of operation. It's a must that will apply order of operation, which is PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Okay, now where P here is parentheses, E is exponent, M is multiplication, and D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. And please note that, like we said earlier, that these two are of the same priority. So if we find both of them in an expression, we have to solve from the left to the right. Okay, now the same thing is applicable to addition and subtraction. So we are going to first of all attend to these parentheses here. Okay, so we have 18 divided by 3, then in parentheses we have 1 plus 2, and that is 3. Okay, plus 2 cube, minus, this is cube, minus, open square bracket, 7 minus, in parentheses 3 multiplied by 2. Then we'll close the square bracket. Okay, now next is for us to attend to these parentheses here. So we have 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, then plus 2 cube, minus, open square bracket, 7 minus 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. Okay, so we'll now attend to the square bracket. So we have 18 divided by 3, then multiply by 3, plus 2 cube, minus 7 minus 6 equals 1. Okay, so from here, we are going to attend to this exponent next, because according to the order of operation, after parentheses comes exponent. So from here, let's take note of this. This is 2 cubed, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so we have 18 divided by 3 multiplied by 3, then plus 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. So 2 cubed equals 8 minus 1. So remember that we said that multiplication and division are of the same priority. So here we have division and multiplication, and we are going to solve from the left to the right, since both of them are of the same priority. So we have 18 divided by 3, and that will give us 6, multiplied by 3, then plus 8 minus 1. So from here, multiplication is of higher priority to addition and subtraction. So we'll multiply first. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18 plus 8 minus 1. And 18 plus 8 will give us 26 minus 1. And 26 minus 1 equals 25 as the right answer. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please do well to share this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.